Hi everyone. So you're watching this video and you're wondering what the join button is all about. So I'll just give you a brief explanation. So this is a way for you to support me and my channel going forwards. If you would like to join the exclusive membership that I'm offering, it will come with perks. So we'll begin with the 3 different options that we have available. So let's quickly run through the options and what you'll get. So if you choose Supporter Silver, you will get loyalty badges next to your name. They're actually very nice little loyalty badges, and they will appear every time you comment next to your name. You will also get a couple of custom emojis that I've added, and you will always get priority replies. So that's definitely, that's the base level, and definitely worth considering if you want to support me. The next option we have is the gold option, the supporter gold. So if you choose to go for that, you will be added to the friends of the channel on my main page as part of the group that I've got. People will be able to go onto my main page and they will see friends of the channel. So you'll get added to that. That's one bonus. And then the second bonus is you'll get my videos in advance. So currently I'm doing 3 to 4 videos ahead at the moment. So it's, 1 to 2 weeks in advance. So you'll get to see those uploads and you'll get to comment on those uploads in advance of anyone else. And then the third and final option going forwards will be the platinum option. If you choose that option, you will get member shoutouts. Now you will only get them in the future going forwards, but they will be on the videos of content that I've made, and your name will be at the end of those uploads. And if I do any additional content that I fit in between, I will add your name at the end as a shout out. So that's everything. Thank you very much, and I hope you become a member. Thank you.